Good morning. My name is Nikita Subhash Sagar. I'm teacher in Kekewa College, Wimpras. I will talk to about study of types of tail fins in fishes like homocircle, heterocircle, and dicircle tail fins present in various fishes. First, we study the what is mean by fish fins. Fins is a thin component or appendages attached to a larger body or a structure. Fins means the components or a structure which is attached externally to the dorsal and ventral side of the fishes, which are various types. There are two types of fishes, bony fishes and cartilaginous fishes. In cartilaginous fishes, various types of fish fins are present, or in bony fishes, various types of fins are present due to shape or size of fish fins. We differentiate cartilaginous fish and bony fishes. Fins are used by fishes to maintain its position, movement in water, or stop or steer in water. It is a function of fins. Fins gives mobility, stability, and movement or swimming. It also helps from predator. We study the fish tails. Here it is a heterocircle tail present in Scoliodon, which is a cartilaginous fish. Here it is a homocircle tail, which is present in ostrich fishes or bony fishes. Heterocircle tail means the asymmetrical fin type called a heterocircle tail. Means one angle is short and another angle is larger than a other angle called the heterocircle tail. It is undifferentiated or asymmetrical. Here it is a symmetrical tail fin called the homocircle tail. Heterocircle tails are present in chondrichthyes fishes, commonly called as a cartilaginous fishes. Means their endoskeleton is made up of cartilaginous, or homocircle tails are present in bony fishes. To balance the backbone, it shows homocircle tails. These fishes are homocircle fishes, and to show the constant slow swimming, hence their tails are homocircle, which are bottom dwelling fish. In bottom dwelling fishes, water current is smaller or lower than the upper water current. Flow of water is small, hence their Tail fins are the homocircle. Here, look, it is a homocircle tail. Both the angles are same. It is example is swordfish or tuna. It is fast moving oceanic swimmers. Which homocircle tails allow to constant swimming over long distance. These fishes are open water swimmer. Here, it is a heterocircle tail. In first slide, we see the definition of heterocircle tail. These fishes are medium speed, asymmetrical, top longer than the bottom, no air bladder. Example is shark, which is a cartilaginous fish. Circle tail. In circle tail, here we show the three lobes, and in homocircle or heterocircle tail, we show the two lobes. In homocircle, two lobes are symmetrical, and in heterocircle, one topper is larger than the lower lobe. In circle tail, three-lobed like caudal fin, and middle lobe is extend end of the tail called the circle tail. Thank you so much. This is a study of types of tail fins in fishes like homocircle, heterocircle, and circle.